Welcome to Empire Livings, our construction site here in Science Park. Now, I want to show you all the progress we've made in the last couple of months. So, let me show you what the plot looked like from before. In the few months that we've been here on site, we've already completed the raft, basement level 2, basement level 1, and now we're getting ready to cast the ground floor. Now, here on the lower ground floor, we've already completed all the steel fixing here on the site, and in the next coming hours, we will be casting all the concrete here. To get us this far in our project, we've expended over 65,000 man hours here on site. We've also poured over 7,500 cubic meters of concrete, as well as installed 1,600 metric tons of steel.